Welcome to QuizRad, the best place for fun, interactive quizzes. Fractions, love them or hate them, they're everywhere. From cooking and shopping to measuring time, they sneak into our daily lives more than we realize. Have you ever used fractions in a real-life scenario like cooking or budgeting? Tell us your most surprising fraction moment. You'll face 25 fraction-themed questions with 10 seconds to answer each one. Let's see if you're a fraction master, or if you need a quick math refresher. Let's begin! But before that, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to QuizRad in 3, 2, 1. Ready? Let's go! You have 3/4 of a cake. If you eat 1/4 of it, how much cake remains? 1/2. 3/8, or 1/4. A recipe calls for 1.5 cups of flour, but you only want to make half the recipe. How much flour should you use? 3/4 cup, 1/2 cup, or 1 cup. Three-quarter cup. If a pizza is cut into 8 equal slices and you eat 5 slices, what fraction of the pizza is left? 3/5, 3/8, or 5/8. Three-eight. Don't forget to comment your score at the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to QuizRad for more fun content and share it with your friends to help increase their knowledge. A chocolate bar is divided into 12 pieces. You eat 1/3 of it. How many pieces are left? 8 pieces, 6 pieces, or 4 pieces. Eight pieces. You have 2/3 cup of sugar, but the recipe requires 1 1/3 cups. How much more do you need? 1/3 cup, 2/3 cup, or 3/4 cup. Two-3 cup. A clock shows 3:30 p.m. What fraction of an hour is left until 4 o'clock p.m.? 1/4, 1/2, or 2/3. One half. True or false time? Is this statement true or false? Fractions are only used in mathematics and have no real-life applications. Yes, you are right, it's false. Fractions are used in cooking, budgeting, and time management. If a movie lasts 2.5 hours and you've watched 3 or 5 of it, how much time remains? 1 hour, 1.5 hours, or 30 minutes? One hour. A road trip is 240 miles long. If you've traveled 3/4 of the distance, how many miles remain? 80 miles, 60 miles, or 100 miles? $60 miles. If a work shift is 8 hours and you've completed 5/8 of it, how many hours do you have left? 3 hours, 4 hours, or 5 hours? 3 hours? Did you know the Guinness World Record for the largest pizza ever made used over 9,000 pounds of flour, and every ingredient had to be measured in fractions? A baby naps for 1/3 of a day. How many hours does the baby nap? 8 hours, 6 hours, or 4 hours? In 8 hours. You spent 1/4 of your monthly budget on groceries and 1/3 on rent. What fraction of your budget is used? 3, 7, 7, 12, or 1, 2? Seven, 12. Don't forget to comment your score at the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to QuizRad for more fun content, and share it with your friends to help increase their knowledge. If a person saves 2/5 of their salary each month, how much is left to spend? 3, 5, 2, 3, or 1, 2? Three, 5. It's memory time! Remember the positions of these images. Okay, now tell me, this image is on which number? Yes, you are right! A sale offers 25% off, which is equivalent to what fraction of the price? In 4, 1, 3, or 2, 5. In 4. You split a $60 restaurant bill evenly between 3 friends. What fraction of the bill does each person pay? 1, 3, 1, 4, or 1, 5? One, 3. You have $80 and you spend 5 and 8 of it on shopping. How much money do you have left? $30, $25, or $40? $30. Can you guess the odd one out? Yes, you found it! A basketball player makes 9 out of 12 free throws. What fraction represents the successful shots? 2, 3, 3, 4, or 1, 2? Three, 4. If a soccer team wins 5 out of 8 games, what fraction represents their wins? 5, 6, 5, 8, or 3, 4? Five, 8. A tennis match is divided into 3 sets. If a player wins 2 sets, what fraction did they win? 2, 3, 1, 2, or 3, 5? Two, 3. Would you rather always have to measure ingredients perfectly using fractions? Or never be able to follow a recipe exactly? Comment down below. A football game lasts 60 minutes. If 3/4 of the game has passed, how many minutes are left? 15 minutes, 20 minutes, or 30 minutes? "15 minutes. Don't forget to comment your score at the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to QuizRad for more fun content and share it with your friends to help increase their knowledge. A racing event is 200 laps long. If a racer has completed 7/10 of the laps, how many laps remain? 40, 60, or 30? "60. A child's toy box contains 12 toys, and 1/3 are teddy bears. How many teddy bears are there? 4, 6, or 8? "4. True or false time? Is this statement true or false? A fraction where the numerator is larger than the denominator is called an improper fraction. Yes, you are right, it's true. An improper fraction has a value greater than or equal to 1. A book has 360 pages. If you've read 2/5, how many pages are left? 216 pages, 44 pages, or 80 pages? "216 pages. A TV season has 24 episodes, and you've watched 5/8. How many episodes are left? 9 episodes, 12 episodes, or 15 episodes? "9 episodes. You have a 1-liter bottle of juice and drink 3/4 of it. How much juice is left? 250 ml, 300 ml, or 250 ml? "250 ml. Don't forget to comment your score at the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to QuizRad for more fun content and share it with your friends to help increase their knowledge. You walk 3/5 of a 10-mile trail, how many miles remain? 4 miles, 5 miles, or 3 miles? "4 miles. That's a wrap. Hopefully this quiz helped you see how fractions pop up in everyday life. Whether you're baking, budgeting, or splitting a bill, math is everywhere, and now you've got the skills to tackle it with confidence. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a fraction pro. If you had fun, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another math challenge. See you in the next quiz.